So your parents had life insurance, they just passed away, and they just left you a lump sum of money. Maybe it's 100,000, maybe it's 200,000. What do you do with this money? Life insurance is a great way to pass along wealth from generation to generation. And for Black and Latinos, it's a great way to close the wealth gap. And what I mean by this is you can take that lump sum and you have several options. You can take the less risky approach, which is to purchase a multi-unit apartment that you can live in one unit and you rent out all the rest. No mortgage, it's paid in full. You're fine. You get additional cash flow from your renters. You have no mortgage. You have pay no rent, which means you probably increase your annual income that you can live off of by about $10,000 to $12,000 for most people. The medium to high risk is taking some of that money, still putting down on a house, taking out a mortgage, and then taking the rest of that and investing it into some other cash flowing asset, i.e. a business or additional just pure tenant rental properties, tenant filled rental properties. I'm a rental, I have rental properties. I got into it a couple years back. I was running my numbers and I wanted to make sure that I had enough money to cover me once I got to retirement. It became a passion for me, so I actually started buying more and more properties. And as I did so, I realized how it's actually easier once you've started. The first property is always the hardest, but that's one example or one idea what you can do if you get a lump sum payment. Don't just splurge with it. Take some of it, do whatever you want with it, but take a chunk of it and make sure you put into an asset that's going to build your wealth, make you better off, and capture it in some other way so it doesn't just leave you.